Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AutoDS for TikTok Shop. To get started, I'll leave a link to AutoDS down in the description below. Simply go to the page, start your free trial by entering your email address, full name and password, or you can sign up with Google. For your selling channel, they recently added TikTok, so of course we will select TikTok. AutoDS offers different packages and you can get a 30-day free trial on any of them, even if you pay monthly. For example, I'll choose the Starter 400 inches plan, which I recommend because it includes price and stock monitoring. This feature helps prevent selling at a loss if your supplier suddenly increases their price. Let's go ahead and start the 30-day free trial by entering payment details, which can be PayPal, Payoneer or a credit card, and then click on Continue. Once your trial starts, it will say, "Thank you for registering." You'll be asked, "How did you find us?" You can just close this. Now, let's add your first store by clicking Add Store. Choose your first TikTok store, selecting TikTok Shop as the store type. At the moment, only the United States is supported, but other countries will be available soon. Since I'm from a country that isn't supported yet, I'll select the US for this example and click Continue. This will take you to TikTok Shop. Choose whether you're an Asia seller or North American seller. I'll go with North America and select the United States. Then, sign into your TikTok account. I'll use Google for this example. After signing in, I see the welcome page for the United States site. Click on Start Selling. And if you haven't created your US TikTok Shop account yet, you'll need to do that. I'll skip ahead to where I've connected the account. Once your TikTok Shop account is connected, you'll be redirected back to AutoDS, where you can use all its features. First, you'll see the marketplace with products added by AutoDS. Keep in mind, AutoDS is not a supplier, but they connect you to suppliers. For example, if you select Ships from United States, you'll get products with fast shipping, like a pet feeder or other items. You can also add products by entering a product link from suppliers like Amazon, AliExpress, or even TikTok. For example, if I choose AliExpress, I can enter a product URL and either edit it or publish it directly to my TikTok shop. Additionally, AutoDS offers hand-picked products. Next, I'll quickly import a product draft. Once it's in your drafts, you can click Import to add it to your store. You'll see your imported products in the Products section. When you receive an order, it will appear in the Orders section. One of the main benefits of AutoDS, in my opinion, is order fulfillment. If you sign up using the link in the description, you'll receive 5 free order credits. Each credit equals 1 fulfilled order. You can purchase additional credits for as low as 20 cents each. AutoDS also lets you track your profits, orders, and revenue in the dashboard. To grow your business, you can easily import products from AutoDS and create TikToks to promote them. For example, if you find a product in the sports and fitness category, filter by best sellers. You might find a viral product, import it into your store and create TikToks around it. Then sell it for $30 and AutoDS will handle the order fulfillment, leaving you to focus on marketing. AutoDS also allows you to import your own products or even bulk import multiple products or stores. You can use the AutoDS Finder to find cheaper products and import them in bulk. Using AutoDS for TikTok Shop is simple. Start by selecting TikTok as your selling channel, connect your store, and add products. Once you receive orders, use the auto order credits for fulfillment. If you opt for the recommended plan, AutoDS will also update product prices if, for example, your supplier raises their prices. This way, you can adjust your pricing to maintain your profit margins. If you want to try it yourself, you can sign up through the link in the description below.